Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm out here in Natural Forest again. It's my day off. Nice and sunny. Not raining like it had been. This is just a pullover campsite, one of the more popular ones. I mean, I could throw a rock and hit the road, but looks like someone built themselves a little fire reflector. Not too shabby. Actually not a bad spot, other than being so close to the road. We'll be heading over to the lean-to. I want to check the note, see if anyone's responded yet. And I want to go collect my trail cam. It's actually been about 2.5 weeks since I've been out here. So it's been a little while, so hoping I got some good footage. I'm hoping it worked. I'm hoping I got some good deer or elk or squirrel or coyote or something. So I'm going to go to the truck, which I got running again. And I'm going to get my stuff and head out. So let's get to it. Alright, so I don't know if you can see it, but the truck's up there, and here's where I cut in. It's a bit of a clearing, and it's easier getting in this way. There's another entry I could take up the road just a bit more, but it's a little bit more cutting back and forth, going around all the tripping hazards. But up there is where I would park for forest camp. Had to glove up, tripod was cold. But yeah, no campsite. Just cut right into the woods. I'm not going to take you the entire way in, just thought I'd show you that start. See, a lot of people don't seem willing to do this, which is an advantage for me because I don't mind just cutting in. See, it's almost, I don't know if you can see it, it's almost like a game trail. So, and there's just spider web right in the face. But, yeah, there's fuel just everywhere. So we're going to check the lean-to, like I said. You know, all this stuff on the ground. This is all just soaking up moisture, but you know, when it's spring and summer, this will all dry out. And I'll get back and down trees. There's always a plethora of firewood. Off trail, that's my secret. I can see the lean-to from here. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera, but alright. I'm going to kill the camera as I navigate. Still nothing. So you know, the note's plain as day, so I'm doing everything I can to reach out. Alright, here we are. So first of all, great news. The camera is still there, which is one thing I was really worried about. There we go. I did leave the plastic over the screen parts, so I'm hoping it didn't affect the picking up movement. Batteries don't look like they've leaked. Let's see. I'm just curious if we got any. Oh, I still have full battery. Come on. It doesn't seem to want to do anything now. Maybe I turned it off. We'll do a quick check. Let's see if we got any footage. So I gotta read up on how to get it to play. Did it just take pictures? It says 2 of 22, so it took 22 of something. So there's the camera. There's a night shot. Oh, don't worry, I'll post all the pictures and video. I'm just really curious. It might show up better on the computer, but it looks like it took something at night. I don't know if you can see that. I can't even tell what it is. I'm hoping it's something cool. Ooh, we got a 15 out of 22. We got a daytime shot. Can't really see anything though. Could be because it's windy. Oh, and then 19 out of 22 is me coming in. That's funny. And 21, 22. Okay, well, I'm interested in seeing what those night shots are. And I still have full battery, which is I'm happy about. So the cold didn't kill the battery. Sweet. I gotta tell you, I was really worried about someone yanking this, but it looks like it was all good. So let's get this back to the lean-to, and then I'm gonna carry on with my other videos for today. Nice. I gotta see what those night shots are. I don't think it's video, I think it's all picture, which is fine. Pictures will show up too, so I'm hoping there's. How funny if it'd be if there was a squatch. I'm walking back with the trail cam and I'm looking, see all this kick up right here? It looks like a game trail. So I think next time I set the camera out here, I'm going to put it up on that ridge somewhere next time. I'm seeing a couple small trees just over here, which might work, or maybe over here, but I'll have to see. Food for thought. I'll have to remember that for next